Today we're going to be working with systems of linear equations, but we're going to be focusing more on just getting rid of the fractions, okay? Now, we have a system here, 1/2 x plus 3 over 2 y equals 4, and the other one is 2 over 3x minus 1/3 y equals 7, okay? And again, our goal is to only get rid of the fractions. That's it. That's all we want to do. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, the first thing you need to look at when getting rid of the fractions is the denominator, okay? So, the denominator is this number on the bottom. All right? Now, we're going to do each one separately. So, we're going to work with this one first, and then this one second. And again, it doesn't matter. You can pick which one you want to do first. I'm just going to start on the top, just because, okay? So I'm going to rewrite just the top equation over here. 1/2 x plus 3 over 2y equals 4. Now, when you look at the denominator is 2. So 1 over 2, you can think of it as division. So what's the opposite of division? Multiplication, okay? And multiplication will get rid of that denominator in this case. So if we want to get rid of 2 and it's division, then we're going to multiply by 2. All right? So what you do to one side, you do to the other, times 2, times 2. And we're going to use the distributive property in order to multiply it through. So this times this times this, and this times this. All right? And you're going to have 2 times 1 is 2 over 2x plus 2 times 3 is 6 over 2y equals 4 times 2 is 8. Okay? Now we still have the fraction, but now it'll be easily divided. 2 goes into 2 one time. So I'm just going to write x. You could write 1x if you want. Doesn't matter. Plus 2 goes into 6 3 times. Y equals 8. And there you go. We just got rid of the fraction. Okay? And I'm going to rewrite the final fraction over, the final equation over here. X plus 3y equals 8. Okay, that's one of them. And now let's work with the other one. This one here. Okay. And again, we're going to look at the denominator. In this case, it's 3. So, what's the opposite of division? Multiplication. What denominator do we want to get rid of? 3. So we're going to multiply by 3 to both sides. Just like on the previous one, we multiplied by 2. Going to multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. Distributive property, this times this times this, and this times this. Okay? 3 times 2 is 6 over 3x minus 3 times 1 is 3 over 3y equals 7 times 3 is 21. Okay? And like before, now we're just going to simplify. And by simplifying, I mean just divide, because it goes in nicely. 3 goes into 6 2 times, so just bring down the x, minus 3 goes into 3 one time, and we just bring down the y. You don't have to write the 1, but you can if you want, equals 21. Now we got rid of the fraction, and here we go. Copy. Let's go ahead and put that there. We don't need that. And there's our system. So we basically, this is the first system we started off with. And now we got rid of the fractions. And here we go. Now with this system, we can basically graph it. We can do other things in order to solve for x and y at that point, to find the number of solutions and so forth. And I'm going to do that in another video. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Our goal was to get rid of fractions, and we did that. Thank you very much, guys. If you have any questions, please ask, and I'll respond right away. Thank you very much. Peace.